In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a music mailing list with constant contact. To begin, open your Sign Up Forms area and locate the draft form you created for music subscribers. This is the form people will use to join your mailing list, so this is the foundation of the whole process. Make sure you are selecting the correct draft so your audience signs up to the right list and receives the right updates from you in the future. Once you have found that draft, go to the right side of it and click the three dots. This will open more options for that form. From there, click Code. This is where Constant Contact gives you the tools you need to share your sign-up form outside the platform. You will now see a provided URL or an embed code. The URL is useful if you want to share your sign-up form directly with people through social media, messages, or other simple links. The embed code is the better choice if you want the form to appear directly on your website, which can make the sign-up process feel more seamless for visitors. Copy whichever option works best for where you want to place the form. After that, move on to creating the email that will promote your new mailing list. Click Create Email to start designing your announcement. This email is what you will send to let your audience know they can now subscribe for music news, updates, releases, or other content you plan to share. Next, select a template and begin designing the email. Choose a layout that fits your style and keeps the message easy to read. A clean design usually works best, especially when the main goal is to guide people towards signing up. Focus on making the announcement clear and visually organized. Then add a button block to the email. This is important because a button gives your audience a simple and direct way to take action. Once the button is in place, insert the link to your new sign-up form. Double-check that the button sends people to the correct form, since this is the key connection between your email and your mailing list. When everything looks good, send the campaign. This will deliver your announcement and start directing people toward your sign-up form, helping you grow your music mailing list in a simple and professional way. That covers everything you need to know.